decided to do PTI after many years of therapy at the recommendation of my doctor. I have complex PTSD and have done probably all the therapies there are for the last 20 years. Everything from cognitive behavioral therapy to an FDA study around MDMA, which is ecstasy, all in the hopes of healing a lot of past trauma. And I got some relief from those things, but it wasn't sustainable. And my doctor recommended PTI because it's therapy in a group setting, and it's more than therapy. It's healing not only the trauma that lives in the body, but also the spiritual trauma that has happened. And after PTI 1, I was convinced that this was really working because I saw changes in my relationships with my husband, with the work that I do. I decided to continue and do PTI 2 and even saw greater changes and began to see myself differently in the world. Haven't had any relapse behaviors that were troubling, which would always happen whenever I was doing other more traditional therapies. And I've continued on to PTI 3, and I feel like myself for I think the first time in my life, and that's a gift. And so if you're considering doing this, take the leap because it's worth it, and you will thank yourself in the end.